Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Market just opened. Good morning, everybody. We are rocketing here. Second entry long. We're up 300 pandas. I took a trade. Just looking for this test of this high, and I was able to get it. Ooh, we are just a huge gap on the 5-minute chart on the regular trading hours, like monster gap. We finally are outside of this trading range that we've been in for the last 2 days or 3 days, really. Ooh, should I go long here? Is this a long trade? Finally coming off the 20 EMA here. Is this a long trade here? Shall I wait for the H4? Am I being too conservative? H4 setup? Yeah, let's get the H4. Let's get the H4 pandas. Okay. This is why you wait for your setup. So you can let this happen, things like this. If I got in a little too early, I would have been absolutely just blasted here. I wouldn't be surprised if we tested the previous day's high, which is this dash line. And then we're going to aim for the previous week's high today, I believe. We'll see, though. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Good morning, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Pandas! Are you ready? Are you ready to make some bamboo? Let's get it. Let's get it. This is quite a strong push down. Quite a strong push down. Ooh, lower high. First entry makes a new low. Pretty cool stuff. Lower low, lower high. Pretty cool. Let's see here. I think we're going to test the previous day's high. It's going to be around the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. It's a pullback. We had news this morning at 8:30 a.m. I mentioned the CPI news. And hopefully you guys took advantage of it if you were trying to pass your accounts. I mean, I'm guessing this move happened first. I'm not sure. I wasn't there to see it. But we tested the previous day's high. We're about to tick off from it. We might actually get to it, but we'll see. Lower high. Maybe get to it. You might want it. We don't actually get there. We don't actually get there, pandas. We actually don't test it. We missed it by a tick. Crazy. Crazy. Second entry short here. Well, I want a second entry short here. Yeah, if the signal bar is good enough, maybe. That is not a good signal bar. It is not good enough. Maybe this signal bar? I'll try. $37 seconds left on this candle on the 5-minute chart. I'm gonna see if it's gonna test the okay, how come I break even here? That's a little bit wild. Double bottoms here. Doesn't quite test the previous day's high. Gets very darn close, and it just snaps back up. I think I'm gonna just see what happens here. I'm not gonna take this lower high. High chance it does test the previous day's high now, but When it snapped up like that, I was a little bit sus. That was a little bit sus, if you ask me. That was slightly sus. That was suspicious. Super strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Like a massive bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Massive bear bar. Big bounce off of the previous day's high here. Massive bear bar on the 5-minute chart, and it just gets folded. It's sick. It's actually sick. I got no entries here. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas. Luis, good morning. Hat dude, good morning. Thanks for letting me know I was muted. Appreciate that. Sherman, good morning. Tate, good morning. I don't turn my computer off very often. I do sometimes, but it's just I don't do it very often. And sometimes, my computer will just do an automatic update, and then just I'm forced to turn it off. But the thing is, every time it turns off and I reboot it, for some reason it doesn't default to my mic for the input. So I sometimes I forget. It's just because I don't turn my computer off that often. So I just like when it happens, it's not something I think about. So I appreciate your patience. You know what I mean? We'll try. Yes, could be ugly. Could be an ugly one. We will try. Why not? I almost prefer this coming back down to the 20 EMA here. As long as it doesn't go through, if it bounces off of it, even better. If it bounces off of it, even better. A good signal bar, I think, would help me want to enter. If it's a really bad signal bar like this, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let that one go, right, Panis? No problemo. My accounts are basically back to where they started from. We're back to 150K on them, and yeah, hopefully you guys took advantage. I hope you guys passed some evals. I mean, it's for your benefit, so. Okay, this might want another push down. It's about a 50% retracement on this 5-minute chart or 5-minute candle. 5-minute candle, super strong bear bar. 50% retracement, and it gets knocked back down. It's a typical move to continue to go down. This is gold. We'll have quite a strong move as well. Feels like an entry long here. I think I would be more interested in it if it wasn't right on the previous day's high. Like, I think it can find some support here. The previous day's high. Most likely will make a new low, though. Most likely make a new low. Yeah. Most likely. And it did exactly what I thought most likely it would do. Make a new low there. Um, I thought about doing it. I just, it's okay. We'll leave it alone. I think I'm still bullish. That's the thing. Like, even though like I could have scalped here, I'm still a little bit bullish. I think I'm waiting for a better setup to go long. we kind of did our thing. We kind of made that new low. We kind of like got it out of our system, making that new low. We could possibly push back up here. Another new low. Okay, fair enough. Now it's kind of doing something beyond what I thought it would do. Could be a decent push down. Could be a test on the regular trading hours, testing the previous day's high. Wouldn't be surprised. It's also very close to the previous week's close. Also, all magnets here, right? Bunch of magnets waiting down here. Running away from it. I mean, the only way I'm going long is if we get above the 20 maybe. It is the only way I'm going long here, I believe. Lower high. First entry. Could be I don't know. I don't think it will be, but could be, but I don't think it's gonna be a downtrend day, to be honest, Pandas. I don't think it's gonna be a downtrend day. I really don't. I mean, I could be wrong. I just don't think it's gonna be a downtrend day. Mainly because the second entry long triggers on the daily chart. And it looks bullish, right? It looks like a bull flag. It looks like it's gonna blast off. And I don't know. I just feels like this could be a strong bull trend day today. It could happen later, maybe not right now, but I'm game here. If it gives me a feel like it's short, I'll try. I'm game. Not gay, I'm game. I'm not gay. I'm game. You know what I mean? I'm game. I will want to try if I get the fail second just short here. All right, let's see. Oop. Better position for me. I just don't want it to run away without me. I don't want this to run away without me. I feel like it might. Eager to go long here. Quite eager to go long. I don't know. I feel like it's going to run away. I feel like it's going to run away without me. Yes. I got to be okay with missing this. I think just emotionally, mentally, I have to be okay missing this move. All right. We got an opportunity, Pandas. An opportunity we shall take. Could be a good move. Could be a very good move. Ooh. Signal bar is all over the place. Let's see. Signal bar's all over the place. I'm in. I'm in the mundo. That is not a good start to my trade. Take the minimum loss here. Scalper's loss. Scalper's stop loss. Holding. 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 Hold. 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 Uh-oh. 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 That's not good. We are in danger land. We're absolutely in danger land right now. Oy. Oy. I get stopped out here, I think. We're absolutely in danger land right now. Come on, push. Oh, we are in the clear. If we can print us, I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. Come on. Hold. Hold. It is so choppy, but clearly above the 20 MA, everything. Hold. Uh, that's not good. Hold. My goodness, how many retracements can we have? How many retracements can we have? This is one of those days you just have to hold the original stop loss the entire time, yeah? I think that's enough for me. I don't think I want to. I don't think I want to see what happens if we can't push up here. Oh, we're smoked. We're smoked. I can't even come up break even. Yep, it didn't let me come up break even there. Yeah. I held as long as I could, pandas. I really did. I think I got the minimum loss on that trade. Like, what was it? I got the scalpers. Yeah, it's not the worst. Not the worst, not the best. You know what I mean? We tried. We tried that. This fails like extra short. Basically, we got spike channel. Spike, channel, break of trend, new low. Reversal setup right here. And that coincided with the 2500 second entry long. And I got out at the trap trigger on the 2500 tick chart. That was a good place to give up there. And you know, if this blasts off, so be it. It's just like it's just too tricky for me, pandas. That's just too tricky. That's too vile. That's just too vile for me. I don't really want to deal with this until things are more clear. And I held it through like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles of just pure junk, pure booty price action. So I'll let it go. I'll take the hit. I'll take my $60 hit. We'll move on. We'll find next trade. Had dude trying the 500 tick chart. Went from negative 400 to negative 25. 500 is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty good. Jeez. I was bullish, but just had to have this. Like the traps on the higher time frames, I don't want to mess with them. And the fact that this trap then like double, like just reverse right back up, it is just very tricky to me. I mean, if we get a fail second to short here, I'll try again. I think the 5-minute chart is just mega bear bar, like such a strong bear bar. Anyone's low, virtually no follow through. Virtually no follow through. We couldn't even get to certain magnets. That's how eager the bulls are, right? Like it's not even allowing to get to the magnets. That's I think is indicative to how strong the bulls are here. Yeah, I thought it was bullish. I thought it was gonna be bullish. It just took me out before it made the big move. That's just the name of the game. But to me, what's more important is like not getting into the move, but trading in the market cycle that I feel comfortable with. And once this started happening, I just did not feel comfortable. I was just not sure what was gonna happen. I don't like being like that, Panas. I don't like to be in a situation where I'm unsure what's happening. And when something like this happens, where like I get stopped out like just by like one move down, and then that is the move right before the big move. That to me is just like I just don't want to. I just don't want to mess with that. I don't want to mess with markets like that. Now it's to me this feels pretty clearly like strong, like it wants to go up. So maybe I'll take a second entry long here if it gives it to me. We'll see. I'd be surprised if it gives you a second entry long. Yeah. I'd be surprised it gives you second trade. If it's really strong, usually you don't get second trade longs. Usually they're all first entries if it's like very strong. But very strong bull bar, 2500 tick chart. Strong bull bar on a 5-minute chart. But we know strong bars don't really mean much in today's market. Strong bull bars don't necessarily mean much in today's market. I'll try. It's in mid-air, but could be good. Could be juicy. Could be trading range day today. Why not? Why not? I will still continue to try. Okay, it doesn't trigger. Okay, there it goes. It didn't trigger on the minis, but triggered on the micros here. I kind of want to like let this one candle play out. It's like a kind of bigger stop loss than I typically would take, but for the sake of like how strong this bull move was, I felt like it was worth trying to let it cook. Such a strong bull move, but just gets folded. Again, 5-minute chart, strong bull bar, any outside doesn't mean anything. Gets folded next bar. I was up 300. Now I'm up 100 pandas. Oh boy, what a tough day. This one's tough. This is getting tough because you're not getting any follow throughs on these strong moves. And I typically struggle in markets like this. Pandas. I really do. Always difficult when there's no follow. When the market has no follow through on these strong bull bars, strong bear bars. I typically have a very hard time because for me, like I want some evidence of what direction I want to trade in. And usually, when you have like a strong move, you're like, all right, let me catch on that move with a pullback, and it literally just gets like V bottom, A topped. It's quite a strong move back down. And this is, and it's like, it's difficult. Let me tell you why it's difficult. Because think about it, the way you make money here is by going short after this strong bull bar. Like, if I saw this bull bar, it's really hard for me to say, you know what, I'm just gonna go short right there. I'm gonna just like, I'm just gonna take my chance. I'm just gonna go short right here and see what happens. Oh, you know what? On this strong bear bar, I'm just gonna go long right there at the bottom. Just gonna go long. Massive bear bar. Let's just go long and see what happens. And it's just like, that's literally what you have to do to make money today. And the fact that that's happening is pretty diabolical. It's very difficult days like today, in my opinion, at least. That's my opinion. My humble opinion. We'll try this. We'll try. Pretty sure it wants to make a new low again. I feel like it wants to make a new low here. Is gold better? Any better today? Is gold any better today? I mean, it's just straight up trading range right now. This. Lifting off on gold. Lifting off on gold, but maybe top of a trading range. All right. I'll try. Let's see. I think it's a silly trade. I think we are trapped in some sort of trading range. But the problem with this trading range is that we didn't reach the high of it. We reached... Yeah, we'll see. I'm pretty sure we're coming back down here. But for the sake of the count of the trap here, on the 2500 tick chart, I want to try. It's a trap on the 2500 tick chart. Okay. We're gonna just take the hit. We're back to break even today. Jeez Louise. I mean, it's just want to try. I pretty much knew it was gonna come back down, but for just the sake of the trap on the 2500 tick off the 20 EMA after a strong bull move, just for the sake of it, I wanted to try. I obviously get burned, but it's all good. Obviously get burned, but it's all good. Pandas. Tough day. I already know today's tough. I think I lost 3 in a row already. I lost like straight up 3 in a row. You know what? I did lose 3 in a row. I lost this trade. I lost this trade. I lost this trade. Trying to go long here. And just lost. Trying to go long like up here on the trap. So I lost 3 in a row straight up. Well, that's what happens. I was up 300. I lost 3 in a row, and now I'm down to 0. That means like basically risk like $100 per trade. More or less makes sense to me. I mean, it's appropriate amount of risk. Strong bear bar any on units low. It's like, does that mean anything today? No, not at all. It doesn't necessarily mean any type of follow through. In fact, it probably means a bounce back up. This is probably where you want to go long, actually. Golly. The problem here with this is that we didn't get to the top here. We create this massive bull bar, but doesn't even get to the top of this range here. Notice we're still within the range of the first 5-minute candle. That means we don't have a 5-minute orb yet. So here's a range of the first 5-minute candle, right from the bottom to high. We need to close outside of it. We haven't had one close outside of this yet. I mean, I gotta try, I guess. I gotta try to go short somewhere. Strong bear bar, like a pullback, hopefully. Probably not. We'll see. Pullback. Lower high. Something. Good enough for me? Pullback? That's a good enough pullback for me. I'll try. Like, that is a pullback. It's teeny, but I should have waited for a proper pullback. Should have waited for this. Now I'm going to get absolutely crushed here because of that. Because I didn't wait. I'm going to absolutely crush because I didn't wait here. I don't really want to lose much more than this because if it does take me out here, I feel like it's going to maybe push very strong up. Like, if it goes much further than this, like, I'm pretty sure I'm cooked. I'm pretty sure I'm cooked here. Yeah, I don't want to test much further than that because I'm pretty sure I'm cooked. I'm pretty sure I'm cooked. If I still like the short, I'll try to enter again somewhere here, but I just was not sure what would happen here. This could come all the way back up because maybe we're at the bottom of the trading range. Maybe this is the trading range. Who knows? We really don't know yet where the trading range is. It's a good signal bar, good first entry short to take. Coming off our trend line and 20 MA. Um, okay. Get absolutely blasted there with that first entry short. Pandas. Like I said, this is tough. I guess I want to go long somewhere here. This is tough, very tough. Not sure why, but we are something like this right now. Not entirely sure why, but we're something like this right now. You're gonna go long, kind of. And it's gonna run away without me. Like I said, like that's why I just if it goes much higher than right there, I'm just like, I could get absolutely smoked because it could be a trading range. Sure, whatever. This will coincide with the second entry long on the 5-minute chart. We'll try. We shall try. Such a strong push down. Squeeze me. Voice cracking. Tough day. Tough day. Already tough day, I think. Very tough day. I'm glad I was up like 300 before the day even started because this would be even more brutal. I mean, triggers beneath the 20 man. I can't do anything about that. It is what it is. I don't know. Sure. Create an outside bar. Maybe we have some room to go down, but I'm getting absolutely chopped here. I'm getting absolutely smoked and chopped here right now. It's incredible. Try to go short again one more time. I'm getting absolutely chopped here. Smoked. It is very painful. Getting obliterated here actually. Try. Just immediately reverses off my entry here. I'm getting smoked. I'm getting absolutely smoked, pandas. What is this? The moment it entered, it just like flipped on me so quickly. That's incredible. The moment it entered, it flipped on me so quick. I'm getting smoked right now, pandas. I'm absolutely smoked. Goodness gracious. We'll try again. One more time. Getting smoked here. Creates an out. Oh my! Creates an outside bar. And my goodness, what is this nonsense? I'm getting smoked. Absolutely smoked, pandas. I'm getting smoked here. I mean, if this doesn't move, pandas, like, this is gonna be the last straw for me. Getting absolutely smoked here. My goodness, getting smoked. Jeez Louise. Oh my goodness. I don't know. It's gonna be a lot of retracements. I may have to hold my original risk for the whole trade. A lower high, I'll scale in, I guess. Lower high, I'll scale in. I'm getting smoked though, pandas. Getting absolutely smoked to smithereens. Lots of retracements. It's gonna be a lot of retracements here. Doesn't have to hold the original risk. Here's the outside bar, and then it just reverses immediately. These outside bar reversals are like just getting smoked, pandas. My goodness. I mean, this could hurt. This could hurt. What can I say? It could hurt. I'm already in this double up, so I'm not gonna scale in again. I already came in here. I already entered here. Okay, triggers anyways. It's gonna be a lot of retracements, no? Can I take my risk off yet? Can I take my risk off yet? All right. 2 strong bear bars in a row. I'm gonna take my risk off. Let's see. Might be too soon. Might be too soon. Might not be able to take my risk off yet. Unfortunately, I can't take my risk off yet. I cannot take my risk off yet. Okay, maybe I can now. I'll take our risk off now. If it comes back up here now, geez Louise. So many retracements. So many retracements. Like, what do I do about this? I let it cook? That's a strong bull bar, pandas. Like, this is really tough for me. What is that? Man, this is too tough. I can't hold. I can't hold. I'll just come out of break even. That is, like, to me, if it creates such a strong bear bar and can't get to this, like, key area in one fell swoop, it's just too much risk. Like, look at this bear bar ending on its low, and it doesn't touch the previous day's high. It doesn't touch the previous week's close. It's clear magnets beneath, and it just gets wham, gets folded. Too much risk, pandas. That's too scary. That's insane, pandas. Like, whatever. Like I said, today's diabolical. The fact that it could not touch those key areas with a massive bear bar ending on its low right next to it. That's scary stuff. I came out break even. I think it's a good skunk, regardless of what happens. That is diabolical. When the price action is diabolical, just expect the worst, right? The worst things to happen. I had some good bamboo, but I had a clear target, and it created strong bearish momentum to my target and could not get there. So for me, I'm out. Like, I should just end today with negative 200 and just be happy with the fact that even negative 200 is not too bad today. Negative 200 is not too bad on a day that is just absolutely bewildering. No follow through whatsoever. We do get our first orb though. Right, this is a 5-minute orb. Right, we close beneath the low of the first 5-minute bar. So, but no follow through on that. Just absolutely folded here. Look at how strong this move back up is. That is sick stuff. This is pretty sick price action, pandas. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty sick. And the moment it did like a couple outside bar reversals, and the moment it triggered the outside bar reversal, it like snapped back up. Did that multiple times to me. Multiple times to me. We'll try here, whatever. We'll see if we get some bamboo here. Like, the fact that we bounced off like that, like I'm not gonna try to get to it again. I'm actually trading away from it now. The fact that we bounced off like that right before hitting it, to me, just shows there's massive bullish, like, limit orders stopping it from going down. It's just massive. That's what it seems like to me. It's just too strong, the bulls at that area. It didn't even allow it to hit the key areas, pandas, with a strong bear bar ending near its low. Like, it did not even allow it. And the moment these triggers, like, the moment I enter my trade, it just like snaps back down. It's pretty bad. I want to let it cook a little bit, but it's tough. It's tough. All right, let it cook a little bit here. I give it a chance for a second entry long. I give it a chance for a second entry long. The moment it triggers, it just reverses. So I'm gonna. Okay, it's building up here. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart just triggers. I think I got to scalp out just because I just been absolutely destroyed. I think I need to scalp out if I can on anything here. I like to scalp out. Just give me a win. I want to know what it feels like to make money again. Pandas, I want to remember what it feels like. What's that feeling like? I totally forgot. Just give me a little scalperoo here, please, one time. I don't think I'm getting it. I don't think I'm getting it, Pandas. Am I gonna get smoked here again? I don't think I should be looking for anything more than just like a couple points. Yeah, I don't want anything to do with this anymore. I'm sorry. Oh! What? Target got filled. Whoa! What just happened? Something happened on the micros. The 15-minute chart micro just snapped up. You didn't see it on the minis, but it snapped up on the micros, and I got I got my hundo. I'll take it, pandas. I'll take it. It snapped up on the micros, pandas. I guess that's one good thing about the micro and the minis not being completely the same. I got filled on the micro, but didn't get there on the minis. Goodness gracious. I mean, eventually might get there, but okay. I think eventually it does get there. Let's see. 25 points. It's actually way up here. Okay, eventually it gets there on the minis, so whatever. Maybe that's like a thing you can see on the micros and minis. Like, nah, it's not true. Yeah, I don't think that's viable. But I'll take it. I was trying to actually extend my take profit, but it snapped up to it, so I just said, well, I'll take that. I'll take that too. Isn't that crazy? We have these key areas such as the previous week's close, previous day's high, massive bear bar going to it, and we don't even test them. Those are really strong magnets, pandas. We run away from it. Jeez. My goodness. That's some scary stuff, pandas. What can I say? Crits. I had a few. But then again, too few to mention. May I say? Not in a shy way. Oh no. Oh no, not me. I did it wrong. Okay. Okay, okay. Hmm. Crazy. Jeez. These moves are so strong, but you virtually cannot get a piece of any of it. You virtually cannot get a piece of any of these moves. There's no entries, right? There's no follow throughs. So once the move happens, it's done. There's no follow through. Maybe that should be the strategy. Typically, where you have follow through, just go short. That could be the strategy for today. It's happened many times. Like, let me show you the ridiculousness of this 5-minute chart. Strong bear bar ending on its low, no follow through. Strong bull bar ending on its high, no follow through. Strong bear bar ending on its low, no follow through. Strong bull bar ending on its high, no follow through. Let me just show you the ridiculousness of today's price action. It's very difficult to capture any moves if there's no entry to get in the moves that are happening. That typically means just sit on your paws all day. I'm down 164. I'm okay. I'm a-okay with that. I'm down on a day disgusting as today, pandas. Like especially as vile as today. This is pretty bad. This is pretty bad. Unfortunate, because I thought we would have at least somewhat of a good day today. Be nice if we did. I was up 300 actually, and I was excited to see some good price action today to continue that. But being up 300 and I'm down 164 sucks. It is what it is though. Lower high doesn't mean much to me. I don't know. Okay. Like, again, 5 minute. Bear bar ending nearest low. No follow through. Just gets folded. I mean, can I? Can we? Possibly? This is a dumb trade, isn't it? This is a mighty dumb trade. This has to be a mighty dumb trade. Yeah. Doji bar. Forget it. Too much confusion. Too many overlapping bars. Too many retracements. Too little follow through on every bar, every move. We're stuck. We are absolutely stuck, and I think anyone can really tell you that. We are creating some sort of triangle, it seems like. But I don't know, it looks like, it feels like this. You know what I mean? Like if I had to create a structure, it feels something like this right now. This is actually a bullish setup, right? It's a bull flag. It's actually a bull wedge, but can anyone tell me the difference between a wedge and a triangle when it comes to trading? 5 minute, I think, also shows essentially the same thing here. Something like this. Okay. 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 I guess. One time. We're in. Am I get smoked here? Yeah. Of course. Of course. Of course I'm gonna get smoked. Why wouldn't I get smoked? Oh! Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that follow through. Yeah, I'm smoked. Absolutely smoked here. It's all good. If he lets me get out when I'm smoked, I'll take it. I'll take it one any day. All good. Move on, next trade. I think there's way better setups than that one. That is... That just looks... I don't know. It just looks weird. Just looks very uncomfortable, the trade in this. Felt very uncomfortable trading in that. Just because I have no idea. When I look to the left of the chart, I just really have no idea if we're going up or down. It's gross. Pretty gross. Whoops. This is what I see. Huh. Could be triangle from here. Could be that as well. Good skunk. Excellent skunk, actually. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Two strong bear bars on the 5 minute chart in a row. It's been a while since we've seen. Actually, we haven't seen two bear bars yet in a row on the 5 minutes. This is the first time, first occurrence of it today. Two bear bars in a row at all today. First time. Not sure if it means much, but like the thing is today, nothing means anything, you know? There's no meaning in anything here. Everything's all over the place. Hat dude's learning. His AI is updating. He said, I will no longer trade pre-news days and post-news days." It's a good thought, to be honest. It's a good restraint to have. For me, I've been doing it for so long. I feel like at this point, because I know they're gonna be so dumb those days, I'm like, might as well just trade dumb, knowing how dumb those days are. What is this? No way. Are we really bouncing off this triangle here? We're really bouncing off this triangle here? Okay, whatever. Cool. Cool beans. Cool beans. My goodness, this is horrific. Give me a strong move, please. No more of this chop. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. It's torture. This is actual torture here. All these considered, not too shabby. That 156. All these considered. High or low? Will this bring me to the promised land? This high or low here? High or low? High or low? Will it take us to the promised land? Will you take us to the promised land? High or low? Are the accounts funded already? These accounts are funded. I've been funded for a long time. The high or low? Is this what brings us to the promised land? I doubt it. Typically, higher lows don't do it. Feels like it's shorts, on the other hand. Let me consider. A higher low may be taking us to the promised land. You get zero entries from here. It's kind of the MO. I'll try. Yes. Most likely a breakout, but fail breakout. Most likely will break out though. It's third hit, man. That is just like that is just calculated, I could say. I guess we'll try. I mean, Okay, all right. Oh, let's see what happens. Will we get to anywhere significant? I doubt it. I'm pretty sure we're in trading range still. I'm just trying to trade a failed breakout. Some follow through, some strong movement here. Let's see. Did we catch something nice, pandas? Did we catch something nice? Could be the question. Is the question. Thinking about today, even with strong bull bars, doesn't mean there's follow through. So to me, it's like almost like it's worthless to trade today. Right? Just because we have strong bull bars doesn't mean there's follow through. So like almost no point of holding. There's no point of swing trading because even strong bull bars don't is not enough to have follow through. If strong bull bars don't have follow through, then what will have follow through? Right? If you can't have bull bars having follow through, then what else would have follow through? That's the highest chance thing to have follow through. And if that can't have follow through, then why would you ever expect follow through from anything? Which I may pay the price here because I'm trying to get some follow through here. High or low. Good signal bar for those triggers. Good signal bar. But snaps. You see how snaps back down? Limit order market. Really, only limit order markets can do that. Like snap something back down. Golly. I'm about to scalp this right now. Take my profits and run. Golly, that's so ugly, isn't it? Have you seen anything uglier than this? I don't think so. That is some hideous monstrosity. Oh, it's vile. Failed breakout as I suspected. How long? How long do I hold this? Do I hold it further than the scalp stop loss? Nah, because it can come way back down here. Let's take the hit here. Move on. My life. Breakout retest. What's my setup here? Like I said, if on today, if strong bull bars don't have follow through, what can you expect to have follow through? Absolutely nothing. Only reason why I held is because I saw this bull bar. I'm like, follow through? And lo and behold, I get absolutely smoked. What do I expect? On a day like today, it's already proven that strong bull bars will not have follow through today. And strong bull bars don't have follow through, what will? Right? If you can't have follow through on strong bull bars, then you don't have a chance with anything else, to be honest. I'm going short here. Forget it. That is horrific. That is just horrific price action I just witnessed. I'm going short here. Thinking fail breakout, right? Does a breakout attempt fail, so I'm going to try to take the fail breakout attempt, which is the trap here on this side. Okay, we're in. I think this is the best setup that I could possibly have right now. Like maybe today, this is the best setup I've seen. Right, fail breakout, trap trade, come back to the bottom of the trading range of some sort. I think it's the best setup I've seen today. So I do not mind holding this for a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Pandas. Pandas. Whoo! Ric Flair, whoo! What in the world was that? Like I said, that was the best setup I've seen today. And I'm just gonna hold it. And it just like it went way beyond where I where I had my stuff. I don't even know where it triggered. Did it give me more? I think it only gave me 25 points still. Yeah, unfortunately, it only gave me 25 points. I thought it would give me more than that because it moved so fast. Let there be some slippage. What in the world was that, Panis? That was absolutely sick. That was wild. Yeah, trading range I suspected on gold. How fun is that, right, Pandas? How fun is that move? I was in a trade as well. We're down, what, 119? It's just a scratch day today for me. All things considered, not too shabby. Not too shabby, all things considered. It's a big zone here. I kind of finally think we're going to make our move. We finally tested the key areas, right? Like, I wanted to test the previous day's high, the previous week's close for the longest time. We finally get there in one fell swoop. And like, a really quick move down, we get there. So we kind of tested where I wanted to test. Now I'm like, feel pretty comfortable trying to go long somewhere here. Hey. Let's see, though. Let's see. Feels like a just short could be a decent move here. Feels like a just short could be a decent move here. Just feels like such a strong trading range day, limit order day. I don't know. I'll try here though. I'll try here for the sake of trading off this zone. Okay. Okay. Strong bear bar. Okay. No longer interested in that short. This is being a second just short. Decent move to the downside. Golly. That is gross. 2500 tick chart kind of gives you a better picture of how terrible today is. Completely chopped. Completely chopped market today. We may be stuck here for a while. And I don't feel comfortable trading until we come outside of this green box. To me, it's clearly some sort of range here was created. Especially when we come right back into it. Can't get outside of it. Something's happening. Something bad. Wow, okay. Still very confused what's happening here. Even more confused on what to do in the situation. Okay. Coming out of this green box. Strong close outside of it, looks like. Does it mean much? Give me a high or low. Give me something here. Give me a high or low. Give me something here, please. Could it possibly be just a nasty trading range day today? Yes, it can. It could possibly be just that. But this pushing down so hard and coming right back up, to me, feels like something accumulated here. Something accumulated, and they are trying to run with it here. To me, this feels like some sort of institutional buying here. Accumulation. Why is it accumulation? Because we were breaking above it, right? Like, if we were below it, I would think it's distribution, but something happened where like some big institution loaded up, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, though. And if you see institutions loading up here and it going up, that means most likely, the institutions are trying to get this to go up higher. Higher low. Is this strong enough for me? It really isn't. No, seeing today's price action, like higher low is just not strong enough. So many failed attempts here. I kind of want to see a retest of this now. We're gonna come back down. Like I kind of might as well see a retest. Higher low is just not good enough. Second entry long retest off of here up on the 20 MA. That would be Chef's Kiss setup. If we get this, this is the setup I'll be looking for. The higher low, good signal bar. That might be all you get. It might be all you get. To me, it's just like it's not strong enough. Not that it can't move, but it's just like too much risk of this snapping back down to 20 MA or something. Too much risk. Second entry long. Too much risk, like I said. This is floating midair. I do not like this. I wanted to test a 20 MA. I wanted to come back to this buy zone. I wanted all of that. I don't think I'm going to get it, but I'm going to just try. Because this could be potentially very good move upwards. Okay, we're in. Not happy about it, but we're in. I'm not happy about this at all. Yeah, I'm not happy about this. first 3 seconds you can tell immediately like if the trade is good or not. I already know it's not that good. If it allows me to come break even, I will. That's a terrible follow through. If it lets me come out break even, okay. Let me come out break even. It's just terrible follow. I just don't like anything here. It's terrible. This could blast off. Who cares? Like I have something better in mind. Like I wanted to test this box one more time before lifting off, and I do not like how this looks. Do not like how this what I'm looking at here. Like that is not pretty. There we go. Okay, good skunk here. I just did not like how this looked. Like what is this? What is this like? Double push up like this, and I don't know. First entry off our trend line of 20 EMINI could be a good move. If it's a good signal bar, I may try. I would love it to snap down, test the top of this box, and then push back up. That's kind of what I'm looking for here. Okay. It's not the best signal bar, but I'll try here. I think that might be good enough. It's not the best signal bar, but I'll try. It might be good enough for me. I'll take it out here, and if I like the move again, I'll go along again. If I still like the move. If it triggers this, if it creates like a strong bear bar here, I might just get out. But if it, the thing is, this box is so huge. Like the risk you take, risk is incredible. All right. I'm looking at the fail second short on the 2500 tick chart about this trigger here. So fail second short here. I'm gonna try. That is not very good follow through after a very strong bull bar. More shenanigans, I guess. Better entry for me here. How much risk do I hold here is a question. It's not looking pretty. Let's try. Let's try, pandas. Let's hold. I want to try here. I want to try something. I want to try this. Like I think this is the best I can do here in terms of this breakout. We got a lot of things going for us here. I think we got a lot of things going for us here. I'd love to take my risk off. I just don't think I can. But the trade is good enough for me just to hold and see what happens, I think. I would love to be able to take my risk off here. That'd be great. I don't think I can. I don't think the market will allow me. I think this market's just going to have too many retracements, yeah. Always a tricky spot here. I'm a wuss. I'm gonna take my risk off. I like the trade so much though, pandas. I like the trade so much. Just come up break even, unfortunately. I do like the trade a lot. I guess I scaled up too quickly. It's just hard to say. I mean, it's a big gamble. Like hoping we'll break out here. Typically, you wait for the breakout to happen, then try to jump in. But yeah, this is like through and through trading range day. Yeah, good skunk, I think. I still like to trade a lot, but it's a good skunk. What I'm talking about the breakout here is the trading range. Trading range indicators give us a trading range, and we want to break out here. We basically triggered a trap and got stopped out on one single bar. Not very. That's not very pleasant, is it? It's not pleasant at all. Who said trading was fun? Who said trading was lucrative? Trading is great to lose a bunch of money very quick. I'm down 120, not too shabby, all things considered. How terrible this, how horrible and terrible, how horrible this price action is. Like all things considered, not too shabby, yeah, not too bad. Coming off of this buy zone. Hmm. It's a sensible thing here just to go short, actually. Hmm. No clue. Just let it play out though. Lower high. Okay. Hmm. It makes sense. The 5 minute trading range is pretty clear here. I guess I should buy here. It actually makes the most sense just to buy. Like, just somewhere down here, yeah? Doesn't that make the most sense on a day like today? Like, we're in trading range day, just buy near the bottom of the trading range, I guess. Just gonna buy here, whatever. $20 EMA tests, probably. Maybe no test of the 20 EMA. I don't know. All in all, just sit on pause. This is very confusing. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Just diabolical. AKA untradeable. Why am I still here? I don't know. Why am I still looking at this still? This is kind of running away from me now. I wanted to buy it down here, but it was just like a perfect touch of the 20 EMA so far. And I may have to go long if it triggers a second entry long like this. I have to try here. Right near the bottom. Basically coming at the bottom trading range and also the 20 EMA, the double key area. Hmm. I guess I'll try. Okay. Ugh, this is not pretty. This is not pretty. We've been in trading range all day. I'm gonna try at least one time to get from the bottom to the top of the trading range. It's reasonable, no? Is it not reasonable? One time. Fail second entry long on the 2500 tick chart though. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna try one time, I guess. It looks like it wants one more push down. Like, it really looks like it wants one more push down. From the looks of this, like, it's just having a hard time getting above the 20 MA. It looks like it wants to get to some sort of double bottom somewhere. It looks like the 2500 tick chart trap wants to trigger. Right? It looks like it wants to trigger. Just a lot about this is kind of... I don't know. Trap does trigger on the 2500 tick chart. I'm curious to see if it goes, if it flushes here. Curious to see if it flushes here. Such a strong trading range day. It's a strong enough setup to flush. It really is. We are making lower highs, lower lows, in a sense. It is strong enough to flush. We do test this area here. Don't know. It's just a really bad day, you know, in terms of trading. Like, this price action is pretty in line with how bad it's been for the last couple months, for this entire year. I'm gonna say pretty in line with how bad it is this entire year. Okay. Well, here I am, pretty much at the same spot, waiting for this to come back up. Slow pokey, good morning. Think I just short here. Could lead to a strong push to the downside. Okay. Pandas. There's no turning back now. We are in it to win it. There's absolutely no turning back now, Pandas. We're in this to win this. Give me the fail second just short, Pandas. I would love that. That's like a A+ setup for me. If I get a fail second just short here, that's an A+ setup. Fortunately, I'm not going to get it. Most likely not get it. Fail second just short, Pandas. Can I get it here in this spot? That's crazy if I can. That'd be beautiful. That'll be absolutely supreme. Looks like we're not getting it though. Strong bull bar ending on high. I think we're good to go. This could be the pullback that we needed. Whatever. It is what it is. Another pullback here. Just waiting. We're gonna let the market do its thing. You know what I mean? Let's see, pandas. One time. One time. Ooh, we might get our fail second entry short here. I'll take it. Gets mighty close, but bounces off. So we don't get there. Mighty close again. Bounces off of. Goes away from it. Okay. I think I have to try. This setup is too juicy. We're gonna try with two. We're gonna end it here. This. I think if we're gonna try double, it's gonna be this one. We're in it to win it. Oh boy. Doesn't really do what I want it to do. Doesn't really do what I want it to do. It doesn't really push off here. Yikes. That's terrible. I thought that trap would trigger the second entry long on the 5-minute chart, and we wouldn't have to sweat here, but it doesn't. Just sweating now. I don't know. Is any trade worth it today? Bottom of the trading range back to the top. Jeez Louise, it really is not going to trigger, huh? It really is not going to trigger, huh? Interesting. Well, so be it. I'll take the hit. I think it's worth it. I think it's worth a try. I'm already into double position, so I'm not going to go in more if it does trigger this. But if this decides to just reverse on me here without triggering the second entry long to get to the top of the trading range, then so be it. Like, I think it was well worth it with the trap right there set up. We'll just take the hit and move on with our lives and just call today an absolute booty day. Yeah, like with the trap triggers and reverses doesn't really trigger the second entry long on the 5-minute chart, which is what I really wanted. This is why I came with double. It doesn't trigger, but to me, it might as well have trigger because that's the setup, and we'll take the hit here. Unfortunately, it is what it is. It's a mean one today, pandas. It's a tough one. What can I say? We're absolutely just smoked here. It's all good. I mean, should I come in with more? Like, should I scale in here? Like, I don't think so. I think we just take the hit, right, pandas, and move on with our lives. Um, I mean, this today is the day where it's like there's just no follow through whatsoever on any move. So I don't know. Maybe I should scale in, but I'm in too heavy. I'm in already double position here, so I'm a little too heavy here. Okay, still have a chance to trigger the second entry long on the 5-minute chart, which should be good for me, which is basically why I entered this position in the first place. Okay, it does trigger, so we're good. We are a-okay here. And I think this is the best setup I'm going to have today. right? Second entry long, coming off the 20 EMA, coming off the bottom trading range. We're gonna try to get to the top of the trading range, pandas. Like, what can I say? Like, we're gonna go for it. And it's just it is what it is. I don't know. It's just gonna try, I think. I think this is where I try, right? I kind of just let it go. Like, I should just like do a Walmart trade, which Al Brooks calls a Walmart trade. You just enter, put your stop loss where it should be, put your take profit where it should be, and just leave. Come back, do something else, go to Walmart, and see if you win the trade. Like, you just, it's just no point of staring at this, because no amount of staring is going to affect the trade itself. If anything, it's just gonna make you do something stupid. So we're gonna just see here if we can get some bamboo. I think it's worth. Let's see. It's a good setup. Like, we have every reason to think we're still in this trading range, bouncing off, triple support here, right? Previous day's high, second entry, it's a second entry long, coming off the 20 EMA, coming off the bottom trading range. Just so much support here. Like, if you're gonna try, this is the one, right? This is the one you try. If you're gonna try to do this, this is it here. If it don't work, it don't work. You know what I mean, pandas? If it don't work, then so be it. It don't work. All right, pandas, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit. Uh-oh, this is not looking good. What's going on, pandas? I still think, regardless what happens, this is the best I can do in this situation, right? Bottom trading range, coming off, 20 EMA. In my opinion, this is the best I can do. This is actually a pretty good second entry long if this is a good signal bar. But I'm already in double position here, so I don't know. It's actually not a bad long trade here. Okay, now it's not a good long trade. Bad signal bar. I'm okay with taking the hit here. I think on trades that look good, I'm actually very comfortable taking the hit on good trades. Because if you're not willing to take the hit on good trades, then you just, I don't know, shouldn't be trading, I guess. I think it's a good trade. I think it's just fine. We probably get stopped out here, but it is what it is. I don't mind. I'm extremely comfortable with losing, whatever I lose here, maybe like 300 bucks. Unfortunate, but I'm comfortable with it. It's just like you gotta try when you see the setup. You gotta try, in my opinion. Even if it takes me out and then goes the way I want it to go, it's just not much I can do about that. Like it could potentially just drop like a rock and try to fill a gap here. It could do that today too. So I'm just like, I'd rather just take the hit, move on. Like the risk here is just too much. Too many unknowns here, and we take the hit, and we'll try again on Well, I will try again on maybe Friday. I'm gonna be busy tomorrow, so I may life has been crazy for me, pandas. It has been absolutely insane. But if I can't trade tomorrow, I may trade on Friday. But Friday I may be busy as well, so I might see you guys Monday. We'll see. We're gonna let it cook though. We're letting this cook, pandas. Just don't touch it. Just don't touch it. Just let it cook. Let it cook. If it's a good trade, it's a good trade. Regardless of the outcome. Regardless of the results, pandas, it's a good trade. I mean, we're still in it. This bear bar is not a good sign for me. It's like most likely going to take me out on this bar or the next bar. I have a feeling, at least. But at least we tried, right? I think at the end we cranked it when we should have on this setup. This is a good setup to try. And it's just trading range, right? We're in this trading range. I felt like come back up to the trading range. We're at the bottom. We're trading near the bottom of it with a second entry long coming off of the 20 MA, coming off the bottom trading range. So a lot of things going for it here. So I felt like let's give it a try. And if we're gonna take the chance here, this is the best chance we're gonna get, in my opinion. It's a bear bar ending near its low. Most likely it's stopped out, but maybe today, hopefully, this is the setup where the bear bar has no follow through, and like we've been seeing all day, especially near the bottom of the trading range, and we get it when we need it. You know what I mean? We get the no follow through bear bar when we need it here, and we'll see. It might be a miracle, pandas. It might just be a miracle. I'm pretty certain we're smoked here, though. Yeah, pretty certain we're smoked here. If we're not, that's pretty nice. What can you do about it? Yeah, we're smoked. It's just it's finding some follow through here. We're absolutely smoked here. I don't think I'm extending my stop loss on this, no? Like, this doesn't make sense to do it. It's choppy, but now it's like spending so much time on the bottom half. I'm feeling like this could flush here. I could try one scale in if I wasn't in double position here. I could try one scale in, but because I'm already in double position, it's going to be hard for me to scale in. It's going to be too much risk. Oh, I just answered that question. I would scale in, but I'm already in double position here, right? I'm in 4 contracts. I'm usually only trading 2. And because of that, I can't scale in because that means I have to scale in up to 8 contracts. It's hard to scale in here. It's a little too much. We're somehow still alive. I'm pretty sure we're smoked here. Pretty sure we're smoked here. Well, we don't know until we find out, yeah? We don't. It's not over till it's over, pandas. You know what I mean? It is not over till it's over, and I think it's gonna be over very soon, but it's not over till it's over. But jeez Louise. The fact that we're still in this trade, I just feel like it's just a testament of how diabolical today is. Can we get one time, no follow through on the strong bear bar near the bottom of the trading range? Can we get it one time? One time when we need it. Can we get it one time when we need it the most? I think regardless, this trade here, I'm okay with it. Oh my gosh, I'm still alive. I do not know how. Oh my goodness, we're still in this trade. I just don't understand, pandas. We're still in this trade. I thought we were smoked. I thought certainly we're smoked here. Certainly smoked. This is a good second entry short here, in my opinion. Coming in for trend line. Coming in for 20 EMA. It's a good second entry short. Coming in for downtrend-ish type situation. I every short feels good when you're in a long trade. You know what I mean? Every short looks like the best short imaginable. Every time you're in long. If I'm in a long trade, I'm like anything pushing down is like a beautiful trade at this point. What in the world? I'm still in this trade. Unbelievable. We're still in it, pandas. We're still in it. It's not over till it's over. It's not over till it's over, pandas. How in the world are we still in this? Can someone explain to me how we're still in this trade? Pandas! I could have came out break even. I could have just been happy with my break even on such a horrific price action day. But the fact that we got another chance here, I'm going to let it cook. Right? The fact that the market gave us another chance here, I'm going to just let it cook, Bears. I'm going to let it cook. And I've already accepted the loss, you know what I mean? I've already accepted, like, losing this trade. So if I lose it, it's like no difference from where I was 5 minutes ago. Like, I've already accepted my loss here. Like, this is already an expense for me. Let's just say if it pays off. No more pain here. There's no pain. There's absolutely no pain here. Let him cook. It gave me a chance to come out break even, Pandas. But like I said, I'm just not gonna touch it. I'm gonna let it cook and see what happens. I think the trade itself should play itself out. If it's a good trade, it'll play itself out regardless. And I mean, it comes after a strong bull bar, so I'm like, all right, let's just see. Oh yeah, we're smoked. Oh, Pandas, I tried to hold it. I mean, I'm a panda of my word. If I have a stop loss, I have a stop loss, and I keep it, Pandas. If I have a take profit, I have a take profit, and I keep it. You know what I mean? Just one of those days. One of those days. And this is why we just take the hit, and then we can just move on. And it's a negative like 300 odd some day today. It's all good. Like I'm willing to lose like 500 at any particular day, trading 2 micros at a time. Um, yeah, I mean we're smoked here. This is a very strong flush now, and I don't think this is a place where I scale in. I just don't think it is. It's not a scalable uh price action here. I mean we take the hit. Okay, all good. All right, fans. I'll see you guys bright and early on tomorrow, or not tomorrow, on Friday, or if not Friday, then Monday. Just please subscribe and um and you'll be notified when I'll set up the schedule. So, pandas, I'll see you guys. Uh, yeah, hopefully Friday, but we'll see. Man, what a tough day. I mean, look at this. Like this is what we had to deal with today. I think at the end I took the best setup possible. Like we had clear target above. We're clearly in a trading range, and I've traded from the bottom. I want to get to the top. So, it didn't work out. But I think at the end that was like the best setup I can do today. And maybe my only mistake was I went in double position. I felt like it was worth it because it was the fail second entry short triggered on the 500 tick chart right here, and also the second entry long triggers on the 5 minute chart. So I felt like it was worth maybe trying double there because there are two setups on two different charts. So obviously it doesn't work out, but you know, what can you do about it? Pandas, I don't regret it. I think it's worth it. And it didn't work this time, but with that setup, I think it was prime enough. And also holding it with another bull bar coming off the 20 MA, I thought it was also worth holding, not coming out break even there. And so it doesn't work out this time, but it is what it is. So pandas, hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, sometimes you lose money, especially on days like today. All things considered, this is not too shabby. It being down $446 on the like absolute booty day. Like when I talk about booty, this is like max booty that you can possibly have on any type of trading day. And yeah, so it's all things considered, not too bad. All right, pandas. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys at another time. As always, happy trading with us. Bye.